Hello everyone, I am Danford and now I am going to make a chicken a la king originated in Mid-Atlantic. My salad, Waldorf salad originated in Mid-Atlantic, and of course my sandwich, the Clubhouse sandwich originated in New York. And now I discuss to you my ingredients. First is chicken a la king. This is my ingredients. 1/2 cup salted butter, 8-ounce mushroom slice, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 1/2 cup milk, 2 egg yolks, 1/3 cup heavy cream, 1 cup frozen peas, 1 cup chopped drained pimientos, 4 cups chopped cooked chicken. So in a large saucepan, melt over medium high heat the butter. Add the mushroom until mushroom are soft or cook 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, add natin ang flour. So make sure na na-mix natin yung flour. Kailangan magsama ang butter and of course the flour. And yan, pag na-mix na natin yung flour and of course yung butter together with the mushroom, i-add natin ang chicken broth. So add the chicken broth. Bring to a boil, reduce high heat to low, and simmer until sauce is thickened about 3 minutes. So after nyan, pag na-mix na natin yung chicken broth, i-add natin ang milk. So ayan. Then mix again until mag-combine ang mixture. So pag ganito na ang consistency niya, pwede na nating i-off yung flame natin. And of course, gumawa naman tayo ng richer sauce. In a small mixing bowl, add the egg yolk, heavy cream, and mix. And of course, the mixture, yung ginawa natin kanina, mix din natin siya. So after nito, isama na natin siya sa mixture natin. Ito yung pamparich ng ating sauce. Cook 2 more minutes. Gamitan natin siya ng wire whisk para mag-separate yung mixture. After 2 minutes, add the pimiento, add the green peas, frozen peas, and of course the pimientos. And mix. After natin siyang i-mix, i-add naman natin ang 4 cups of chicken. So, ayan. Ang chicken natin, i-cut natin ng dice cut. Or cubes cut, small cubes. Then cook natin siya ng 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, pwede natin i-off yung flame. And now, let's do the plating. So I have here loaf toasted bread. So para mag-combine ng ating chicken a la king. Wow! Yan. So put in the And yes, this is a chicken a la king on a toasted loaf bread. And let's eat! And now let's do the salad. So my salad is Waldorf salad. So this is my ingredients. And now this is my ingredients. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup sliced red grapes, 1 cup chopped apples, 1 cup sliced celery, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, 1 cup walnut toasted or macadamia nuts, and of course the romaine lettuce. In a large bowl, mix the mayonnaise together with the yogurt. And of course, the lemon juice. I-mix natin siya. So after i-mix, ilagay natin ang grapes, the apple, the celery, the parsley, and of course, the macadamia nuts. And mix together until combine the all ingredients. Then saka natin siya lalagyan ng salt and pepper. Salt, pepper. I think more pepper. So after nito, at alam nyong na-coat na yung ating fruits and vegetable, so ilagay na natin sa ating plate. And yes, this is the Waldorf salad. Let's eat! So hello everyone, and now I'm going to cook my sandwich, which is Clubhouse. So this is my ingredients. 6 pieces white bread, toasted. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 6 pieces green eye sweet lettuce. 4 sliced plum tomatoes, sliced into rounds. 4 sliced cucumber, sliced into rounds. 12 pieces bacon, fried until crispy. 4 pieces regular or sweet spice ham, 1 piece egg, cooked sunny side up, and 4 pieces cheese. So let's cook. First is you need to cook the scrambled egg. So ayan, pag cook ng ating egg, you need to transfer to your white plate. Second is, lagay tayo ng oil. Second is you need to fry this ham. Beforehand. So, after a second or a minute, hindi naman siya kailangan lutuin because the ham is cooked. After this, the bacon. So next is you need to toast the bread. Ginamitan ko siya ng may mga design na pan. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. So flip natin. So after the raw ingredients is cooked, so assemble na natin ang clubhouse. So first is the loaf. So spread lang natin ng mayo. So next is the ice with lettuce. Next is the tomato. After the tomato is the ham. After the ham is egg. After po ng egg is the loaf ulit. Toasted loaf. After this, you need to put mayo again. Of course, the bacon. The tomato. The cucumber. And lastly, the cheese. So this is the cheese and the lettuce again. So need natin siyang lagyan ng toothpick para pag kinat natin, hindi siya maghiwa-hiwalay. So you need to cut center. And yes, this is the clubhouse. And yes, this is my clubhouse. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you and God bless.